I'm here just looking after Odin. Just for a few minutes, a few hours here. Both his, my brother-in-law and his wife are working, and so I offered to come look after this cutie. He usually goes to doggy daycare, but I thought I'd come look after him today for a bit because how can you say no to that dangerous looking face? Look at that pit bull. Scariest animal on the planet. Can you see yourself, Odin? Are you scared of yourself? You're a vicious, vicious creature. Oh, look at those teeth. Look at that yawn. You could chomp on everything, but you're too scared of everything. Good morning. Hello. Welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe, that like button, all the other good stuff. I'm on my way to go bouldering, and I'm going to try to record a little bit. We'll see how busy it is. If it's super busy, I won't, because I'm really not that good, and it's probably not going to be that exciting, and people will laugh if I'm recording myself being awesome. That was short-lived, guys. I am on my way back now. Well, I haven't turned around. I'm going to turn around. I realized I brought everything I needed except for my wallet. I even went online and signed the waiver. So I'm 100% ready if they would let me in for free, but they're obviously not going to. So I gotta go back and get my wallet. Okay, let's try that again.
You're back online. You are on the best route. You should reach your destination by 10:52 a.m.
Don't know if you heard that, but my Galaxy phone told me I'm on the best route.
500 meters, Tuscany Hill Northwest, turn slightly left
Tuscany
to
Hill.
Nose Hill Drive Northwest.
I realize that. I don't even know why I have you on right now. Anyway, guys, I am on my way finally once again. That sucked. That pretty much gets rid of an hour of climbing. Though 2 hours is probably more than enough. My hands, I usually get pretty sore after, an hour or two. So I think I'll be done by then anyway. We'll see how it goes, though. We will see.
Continue on Nose Hill Drive Northwest for 1.5 kilometers.
Will do, Galaxy.